Hello, I'm Christine from Chris by Bike. Yes, it's a YouTube channel where I share all the things that I learned and all the great rides that I do with my darling Brompton. Yes, I love to ride my bicycles, but especially my Brompton. In this channel, I share all the things that I learn and places that I go, and sometimes you guys give me suggestions that make great videos, and we have big videos, quick tips, and now we have shorts. Yes, those little videos, you know, just short ones. They're kind of nice to make them because it feels like a photo movement. Oh, I'm enjoying. So check it out. There's a lot of them. So last week, quick tip video, I shown you about a little elastic band that I use on my handlebar. I use it to close my Brompton, so when I push it, it doesn't open the handlebar. Okay, just check it out. But the thing is, I got some questions about the Velcro. Velcro? Yeah, let me show you. Well, Brompton have two new lines, the T line and the P line. And both of this line, the new Bromptons, they have a different stop disc. The stop disc, it's lower, so when you fold your Brompton, it gets higher, and you can push your Brompton with the saddle up. And it's very practical. It's very nice, very easy to push it around, especially when you are in a place that there's a lot of people around and you have to push it and you don't want to, you know, get a lot of space around you. Like, I like to use the handlebar for it, but some places that are too crowded, if you use the saddle to move your Brompton, it gets very tiny. So good. But to do this, you need a different stop disc, or you can use a Velcro. And how do we use it? So simple. You just put around the frame and the back wheel, and that's it. But you're gonna say, okay, Chris, I knew that. But then comes the question, do I need a special Velcro? Does it have to be specially made for Brompton? It's cool. If you do have it, it's cool. It's a lot more money, but it's beautiful. They have all the drawings, you know, they're very nice, but you can use a regular Velcro. And for that, let me show you which size it should be. Actually, that's the original question. What's the length that I need to be the Velcro to use in the Brompton? Let me show you. So, usually we have a stop disc here. Mine is broken, I have to change it, but I have to take to a store because you cannot take this out. And what does it do? So this is the part that locks the Brompton, see? On the T line and the P line, instead of here, the stop disc is here. So you can pull it up, you can put the saddle up to here, and it will stay closed. The Brompton won't unfold. In this case, because my stop disc is down here, what we do is put a Velcro around the back wheel and the frame, and you do the work. So what happens is, if you open your saddle, you know, if you put it all the way up, this is what happens. Terrible, isn't it? So to hold your Brompton folded like this and push by the saddle, a great hack is a Velcro. I usually keep my Velcro here because it does protect the frame, and it's so simple. You just put it here and hold the back wheel, and that's it. I know. The greatest things are the simple ones. Check it out. I can pull it up and nothing will happen. Well, this is perfect to move around, you know. It's so easy. You have full control. Just grab your saddle and move a little bit up so you can have only 2 wheels on the floor and go around. And there's one more thing that I like it very much. Sometimes you do need your hands, but you have to carry your Brompton. Check it out. Just put your saddle, long hair, just put your saddle on your shoulders and voila. I know. You can carry it around, you can carry your suitcase, you can carry whatever you want with no hands. Just your Brompton on your shoulder and a Velcro to hold it. Because if you don't have this Velcro, it opens. Oh, I hope you did like this video. It's a great hack. I use it a lot and it's very practical and very useful. I really like it. Well, you can buy a Velcro in Amazon, on special Brompton stores. They're perfect. But you also can use a regular Velcro. And for that, I'm gonna show you the length that I use and it works perfect. Let me take it out. Whoa, okay. It's like this. Okay, it's just simple. It's the one that you put over here and go to it. But this here has to hold your Brompton. Mine is like 12 kilos. Be heavy, but you know, it is strong, see? I did fold a little bit because it was a bit long, but I didn't want to cut it yet. So let's see what's the length on it. I got a ruler and it's more than 30 centimeters. Let me check it. So 30, a whole ruler, and I would say 2 fingers. You're gonna ask me, why don't you say the numbers? It's around 33 centimeters. That's long enough. It works. When you choose a Velcro, I would say that at least you need at least 1.5 fingers wide, because there's a lot to carry, you know. Bromptons are heavy. At least my Brompton is like 12 kilos. So the Velcro that you choose has to be very good quality. Yes, you can buy a ready-made for Brompton and they are great. They have in a lot of Brompton stores and in Amazon. They're beautiful. They have drawings and everything, but you can also get yours. Regular one and at least 33 centimeters, which would make, let me see, how many inches? 12, 13 inches. Would make 13 inches. Okay. Simple, but very useful. I love those little hacks that make our life much easier. Hope you did like it. Thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, because YouTube will tell you when the next video come out. So you know, you won't miss anything. Hope you like it. I really like it. I use it a lot.